Hey everybody, I'm Chef Tom with atbbq.com, and today we're making red sauce. Now there are tomato sauces across all cultures, all across the world, but today what we're specifically making is a tomato sauce that's designed for pasta or even pizza. For me, the key to a really good tomato sauce is really quality tomatoes. So we're using these San Marzanos, actual San Marzanos from Italy. We've got some great olive oil that was made in Texas, and then of course our Italiano and some fresh garlic. You can do this chunky or you can do this smooth. I want it smooth so it fully coats the pasta that we're eating today. So we're gonna blend this up in the blender first. Do 1 can of tomatoes, about 2 tablespoons of our olive oil, because fat, it's not just flavor, although the flavor is fantastic, but it carries flavor, it coats your mouth. And then for the Italiano, just a lot of salt, garlic, Italian spices. We'll do about 1 tablespoon of that. For the garlic, we don't really need to chop them up since they're going into the blender, so we'll just crush them and peel them. Garlic into the blender, then we're gonna add a couple tablespoons of pesto. Yeah, let's just do 1 tablespoon, we'll say. So you can blitz this as far as you want. If you want a little bit chunky, go ahead and stop now. But since we threw those garlic cloves in whole, essentially crushed, but whole, we want to make sure we break those down. So I'm going to go ahead and fully blitz this. Smells incredible. Garlic, tomato, those Italian spices, but you can see how runny it is. So what we're going to do now is we're going to cook this down. So we're going to throw this into the pot over medium-high heat until it comes to a simmer, and then reduce it to medium-low heat. So this is all the way on low now because it's thickened up really nicely. It's at a consistency that I like. This is totally up to you guys. The one thing we're gonna do to finish this off is we're gonna add a little bit of heavy cream. And that's just gonna make it a little bit creamier, lighten it up just a little bit, give it a little bit more richness at the same time. All right, taste test for seasoning. I love exactly where that's at. And this is the reason why we don't add salt in addition to that Italian seasoning at the beginning, because as this reduces, all of those flavors reduce, intensify. So you want to wait till the end if you're going to add any salt at all. Now this has got a great tomato flavor. Those San Marzanos are fantastic. I'm getting the basil out of the pesto. That fat, sure enough, is kind of helping to coat. Like I can still taste it on my tongue right now because that fat sticks around. So let's go ahead and dress up some noodles. So now we're ready to dress the pasta. We got some bucatini today from Rummo, really delicious stuff. Just get it fully coated in that sauce and then plate it up. Just gonna simply finish this off with a little bit of Parmesan on top. It's a solid red sauce. I'm not even a red sauce guy. I'm gonna be honest with you. I won't eat out of a jar. I'll eat if I make it. And the thing about this is it's super easy. It's like 6 ingredients. You're gonna get this done in under half an hour. Whatever you don't use, you can throw into the fridge and use it the next week. Simple, quality ingredients. That's where it's at. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to check out atbbq.com for all the products featured in today's video. If you enjoy the recipe, hit that subscribe button. And if you have any questions or comments, or there's anything you'd like to see me cook, let me know in the comment section down below, and let's be good to one another. For more recipes, tips, and techniques, head over to atbbq.com/thesauce. All things barbecue, where barbecue legends are made.